Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, which is JoJo's Luck Shack. And today we are filming in isolation in the basement. If you're new, thank you for tuning in. I'm Joanne. I like to do videos on luxury handbags, unboxing, fashion, makeup, beauty, and just your general fun. If you like my content, please subscribe and hit the like button. And now, let's do the unboxing. So just before the unboxing, let me tell you a little story about this. I actually ordered this way back in July, July the 4th, at Louis Vuitton in Chadstone. And they rang me up on the weekend and they told me that it's here and they were going to courier it out, and it arrived today. So here it is. Okay, now I'm going to be doing the unboxing. So here's my receipt. And it comes in the cute little box. So cute. I love packaging. Okay. Here we go. Now, I've been wanting this for so long. And yeah, can't believe that it's here. Finally. Comes in a cute little pouch. And ta-da! It's the Key Pouch clay in monogram canvas. So cute. And I think this one is, you can see, made in France. Yeah. That's it. And that's the unboxing. Thank you for watching.